The question is, are you ready for a life-changing experience? Ooh. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate. Today I'm going to show you a fantastic recipe, really nice. I just created this recipe this week. I'm going to make baked tortellini with pig cheek, truffle cream and lots of yummy cheeses. Let's say that I'm turning the mac and cheese to the next level, right? So this pasta not only is made with lots of love, but it uses unique Italian ingredients. What is this pasta going to bring into your life? Happiness, sophistication, and unique flavors. This pasta will take less than 10 minutes to make. All you have to do, start boiling the tortellini, follow the instruction on the packet. If they say 10 minutes, you cook it for about 7 minutes. What you do after, you start making the bechamel sauce. The bechamel sauce is made with 50 grams of butter. When the butter melts, you add 50 grams of plain flour and straight away you start adding the milk. In total, we need 500 ml of milk. You want to add the milk a little bit at a time. Towards the end, you want to add just a little bit of cinnamon and Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, you want to add that. Now the bechamel is ready, the tortellini are almost ready. Get a nice pan and you want to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil because we're going to cook our guanciale, pig cheek. Now some chefs say, oh, you don't need oil if you use pig cheek because the pig cheek already has lots of fat which creates the oil. I always like to put extra oil for the flavor, so thank you. If you can't find pig cheek, use pancetta or bacon, but go for pancetta, it's better. It takes a couple of minutes for the pig cheek to cook and then you want to add the bechamel sauce inside the pan. You want to add a little bit of truffle cream, mix it very well together and add a splash of milk in case it's too dense. Mine is a bit too dense, so I do put the milk inside. Then what you do, you put the tortellini inside and now you want to mix it properly. You want the tortellini to be wet. You want the cream to dance together with the tortellini. Mix it very well together. Now cut into cubes some provolone cheese. And you want to add the provolone cheese on top, mix very well, and then you add more provolone cheese on top. Make sure the provolone cheese is everywhere, like when you make a pizza, right? You put it in the oven at 180 Celsius degrees for about 5 minutes, even less. You just keep an eye on it. When the cheese melts, it's ready to be served. Oh, the smell of the truffle goes right there in my nose. I love it so much. Look how stunning this wonderful baked tortellini / sophisticated mac and cheese looks like. All you have to do now, put more Parmesan on top, a sprinkle of pepper, and have it. Have it like it's your last meal of your life. Mamma mia. This is to die for, guys. This is such an amazing experience. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many versions of tortellini recipes. You know, the tomato sauce, the gorgonzola sauce. Well, this is my version. It's a sort of mac and cheese, put it that way, but very sophisticated. Now, I already had a little bit off the camera. I'm gonna have a little bit more. So thank you for watching this episode. We'll see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia Vincenzo's Plate. Please subscribe. Straight away, I get the kick of the truffle, followed by the guanciale, the pig cheek, is right there with all the flavors, and then you get this beautiful cheese. Wow! Cheese is right there. All I need now is a glass of wine. I need a nice glass of wine. Guys, what are you waiting for? Make it right now. It takes 5 minutes. Come on man, come on, do it. This pasta will create an explosion of happiness into your mouth.